Hey, Big Mike, you're live.
Big D,
Big Mike?
December 28th, 26th, I don't even know what friggin' day it is.
27th.
You are actually, everyone here on YouTube and in Massachusetts, you are here at a historic moment. This is the first time that I have snow shoveled in 20 years. I'll see you in another 20.
There's Big Mike working as a child should.
Look at this. Still good. This snowplow is almost as old as me.
As old as I am.
All right, the Hummer goes. Out it goes. Big D, I love you. Merry
I love
Christmas.
you too. Thank you for helping out, Big Mike.
Oh, anytime.
Thank you for
Big D.
sharing this wonderful experience with
Oh,
us.
Big D, anytime in the next 15 years,
That
I'll
I
be
need
sure
help?
to do it.
Closer to 15, the better.
That's right. All right, here comes the Hummer. Look, I already pick up my Massachusetts accent the minute I'm back here.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
see, I didn't notice.
It's the, yeah, well, yeah, the Hummer. The Hummer. Let's see if Big Mike can do it. All right. Look at that. Here it comes. Listen, I don't care what the Chinese say or what John Ramota says. Nothing gets out like the Hummer. Nothing. George Bush was right. All right. One big D. Time. There's Paul.
close up, Big Mike?
Good D. How you doing?
Very fine, thank you.
Listen to 2010. Done. Done.
No match for you, Big Mike.
Right. All right, we're gonna get the iPhone next. This was my historic getting the car out of the drift.